Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming safety. Inspect the motor housing and blades for cracks and plug in with dry hands. Once done, select a container that keeps ingredients below 3/4 full to prevent splashes. Add liquids first to help circulation, then solids in uniform 1-2 centimeter pieces so the blades can grip. Turn the speed dial to low for an initial pulse. This prevents clogging. Keep one hand steady on the base while you prepare to blend, because stability matters. Once the mixture is moving, use short pulses of 1 to 2 seconds to break large chunks. This conserves motor power and prevents overheating. Then increase speed gradually to medium, watching texture. This avoids overworking soft ingredients. When nearing smoothness, switch to high for 15 to 20-second bursts to refine consistency. Make sure to tilt the jar slightly to form a vortex that pulls food toward the blades, and pause to scrape the sides with a spatula so everything. To finish, pulse once or twice until you hit the texture you want, then let the blades coast to a stop before opening the lid. This prevents spills and finger injuries. Immediately empty the jar and rinse blades under warm water to prevent residue buildup, and wash the container by hand or dishwasher if safe. If the motor stalls, unplug the unit, remove any lodged food from blades, and let the motor cool for 10 to 15 minutes before retrying. This clears overload and protects the motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.